Hello, and welcome to this video on how to build a profitable online course from scratch. In this video, we will be providing you with a step-by-step guide on creating and marketing a successful online course that generates consistent revenue. So, let's get started. Step 1. Identify your niche. The first step in creating a profitable online course is to identify your niche. This means finding a topic that you are passionate about and that has a demand in the market. When choosing your niche, it's important to consider your expertise and experience. You want to choose a topic that you are knowledgeable about and can provide value to your audience. To identify your niche, you can start by researching popular topics on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare. Look for topics that have a high demand and low competition. You can also use keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner to identify popular search terms related to your niche. Let's imagine you have a passion for cooking and want to create an online course in that field. The culinary world is vast, so you'll need to narrow down your niche to a specific area. Begin by researching popular cooking topics and identifying potential sub-niches within the culinary industry. For instance, you could focus on plant-based cooking, baking for beginners, or international cuisine. Once you have a few ideas, assess the demand and competition for each sub-niche. Explore platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or cooking-related forums to gauge the popularity and competition in each area. Let's say you discover that there is a high demand for healthy meal preparation, but the competition is relatively low. This suggests a potential opportunity for you to create a profitable online course in that niche. Next, consider your expertise and experience. Are you a certified nutritionist with a background in healthy cooking? Do you have personal success stories with transforming your own diet? Evaluate your knowledge and skills related to the chosen niche. For example, if you have experience as a nutritionist and have witnessed the positive impact of healthy meal preparation on people's lives, you can position yourself as an expert in that specific area. Once you've identified your niche as healthy meal preparation, you can start developing your course content. Research popular topics within your niche. In this example case, research meal planning, nutritious ingredient selection, and cooking techniques for healthier alternatives. Create a course outline that covers these topics, and develop lesson plans that provide step-by-step instructions and tips. Your course can include videos demonstrating cooking techniques, printable meal planning templates, and quizzes to reinforce learning. In addition, consider incorporating practical exercises like recipe assignments, where students can apply their knowledge and receive feedback. Provide real-life examples of healthy meal makeovers, or case studies of individuals who have successfully improved their diet through your methods. Offer downloadable resources like shopping lists, sample meal plans, and cooking conversion charts to support your students in their healthy meal preparation journey. Encourage interaction among students by creating a community where they can share their experiences, ask questions, and provide support to one another. Remember, selecting a niche that aligns with your expertise and interests while addressing the needs and desires of your target audience is crucial. By offering valuable and engaging content in a niche with potential, you can differentiate yourself in the market and build a profitable online course. Step 2. Develop your course content. This involves creating a course outline, developing lesson plans, and creating course materials such as videos, worksheets, and quizzes. When developing your course content, it's important to keep your audience in mind. Make sure your content is engaging, informative, and easy to follow. To create a course outline, start by breaking down your topic into smaller subtopics. This will help you organize your content and ensure that you cover all the important information. Once you have your course outline, you can start to develop lesson plans for each subtopic. Your lesson plans should include a clear objective, an overview of the content, and any activities or exercises that will help your students learn. When creating course materials, consider using a variety of formats to keep your students engaged. For example, you can create videos that demonstrate cooking techniques, worksheets that help students plan their meals, and quizzes that test their knowledge. When it comes to developing your course content, it's essential to provide valuable and engaging material that will resonate with your target audience. Here are some additional tips to consider. 1. Break down complex concepts. If your course covers complex topics, make sure to break them down into smaller, digestible pieces. Use clear explanations, examples, and visuals to help your students understand the material easily. For instance, if you're teaching a course on graphic design, you can create separate lessons on color theory, typography, and layout design. 2. Include practical exercises. Incorporating practical exercises and activities throughout your course can enhance the learning experience for your students. These exercises can be hands-on projects, quizzes, case studies, or interactive assignments. For example, if you're teaching a photography course, you can assign students to capture specific types of shots and provide feedback on their work. 3. Utilize multimedia. To keep your students engaged, consider using a variety of multimedia elements in your course. Include videos, audio recordings, slideshows, infographics, and interactive elements whenever appropriate. Different multimedia formats appeal to different learning styles, ensuring that your content caters to a broader audience. 4. Provide real-life examples. Use real-life examples and case studies to illustrate the practical applications of the concepts you're teaching. Show your students how the knowledge they gain from your course can be applied in real-world scenarios. For instance, if you're teaching a course on financial planning, you can include examples of different investment strategies and their potential outcomes. 5. Offer templates and resources. Provide templates, worksheets, and additional resources that students can use to apply the knowledge from your course effectively. For instance, if you're teaching a course on web development, you can provide HTML and CSS templates that students can use as a starting point for their own projects. 6. Encourage interaction. Foster a sense of community and interaction among your students. Encourage them to participate in discussion forums, ask questions, and provide feedback to one another. This not only enhances the learning experience but also helps create a supportive environment for your students. 7. Iterate and improve. As you receive feedback from your students, take the opportunity to refine and improve your course content. Continuously assess the effectiveness of your lessons and make necessary adjustments. This iterative process ensures that your course remains relevant, engaging, and valuable to your audience. Step 3. Choose a platform. Selecting the right platform is crucial for the success of your course, as it affects the user experience, marketing capabilities, and revenue potential. Here's how you can make an informed decision. 1. Research and compare platforms. Start by researching various platforms that specialize in hosting online courses. Some popular options include Udemy, Teachable, Thinkific, and Kajabi. Take the time to understand their features, pricing models, and user reviews. 2. Consider your course needs. Assess the specific requirements of your course and identify the features you need. For example, if you plan to incorporate multimedia elements like videos and quizzes, ensure the platform supports those features. Consider factors such as course customization, payment options, student engagement tools, and analytics. 3. Evaluate pricing models. Compare the pricing models of different platforms. Some platforms charge a percentage of your course sales, while others have a fixed monthly or annual fee. Take into account your revenue projections and the long-term sustainability of the pricing structure. 4. Examine marketing and sales tools. Look for platforms that offer robust marketing and sales features. Consider whether the platform provides built-in marketing tools, affiliate programs, integration with email marketing platforms, and the ability to create sales funnels and promotional campaigns. 5. Explore user experience. Sign up for free trials or demos of the platforms you are interested in. Evaluate the user interface, ease of course creation, and the overall user experience from both the instructors' and students' perspectives. Pay attention to how intuitive the platform is and whether it offers support resources or a helpful community. 6. Check technical support and reliability. Ensure that the platform offers reliable technical support in case you encounter any issues. Look for platforms with responsive customer support, comprehensive documentation, and a track record of system stability and uptime. 7. Consider scalability and future growth. Think about the future scalability of your course. Will the platform accommodate the growth of your student base and additional course offerings? Consider whether the platform allows you to expand your business and easily add new courses or modules. 8. Seek feedback and recommendations. Reach out to other course creators or join online communities where instructors discuss their experiences with different platforms. Gain insights from their first-hand experiences and ask for recommendations based on their specific needs and goals. By conducting thorough research and comparing platforms based on your course requirements, budget, marketing needs, and growth potential, you can make an informed decision when choosing the platform that best aligns with your goals. Step 4. Create a sales page. Now that you have your course content and platform, it's time to create a sales page. Your sales page should be designed to convert visitors into paying customers. It should include a clear and concise description of your course, testimonials from satisfied customers, and a call to action to purchase your course. Here's how you can create an effective sales page. 1. Craft a compelling headline. Start your sales page with a captivating headline that grabs the attention of your visitors and clearly communicates the value of your course. Make it concise, engaging, and focused on the benefits your course offers. 2. Describe your course. Provide a detailed description of your course, highlighting the key topics, skills, and outcomes that students can expect to achieve. Clearly communicate the value and unique selling points of your course, addressing the pain points and desires of your target audience. 3. Include testimonials and social proof. Feature testimonials from satisfied students or clients who have experienced positive results from your course. Testimonials add credibility and build trust with potential customers. Include their names, photos, and any relevant credentials or achievements. 4. Showcase your expertise. Establish yourself as an authority in your field by showcasing your expertise and credentials. Share your qualifications, certifications, relevant experience, or any notable achievements that demonstrate your credibility and expertise in the course topic. 5. Outline the course structure. Provide an overview of the course structure, including the number of modules or lessons, the estimated time commitment, and any additional resources or bonuses included. This helps potential customers understand what they can expect from the course. 6. Address FAQ and objections. Anticipate and address common questions, concerns, or objections that potential customers may have. Include a FAQ section where you answer questions about the course content, format, access, or any other relevant queries. Overcoming objections can help instill confidence in potential customers. 7. Create a sense of urgency. Encourage potential customers to take immediate action by creating a sense of urgency. Offer limited time discounts, early bird pricing, or bonuses for those who enroll within a specific time frame. Clearly communicate the deadline or limited availability to create a sense of urgency. 8. Call to action. Place a prominent and visually appealing call to action button or a link that directs visitors to the enrollment or purchase page. Use action-oriented language, such as enroll now, get started, or join the course. Make sure the call to action stands out and is easily accessible. 9. Design and layout. Ensure your sales page has an appealing design and layout that is visually appealing and easy to navigate. Use high-quality images, videos, and graphics that enhance the overall presentation. Break up the content into sections with clear headings for easy readability. 10. Test and optimize. Regularly test and optimize your sales page for better conversion rates. Track analytics, such as click-through rates, time spent on the page, and conversion rates. Make data-driven decisions to improve the sales page's performance, such as adjusting the layout, revising the copy, or testing different CTAs. Remember, your sales page serves as a crucial element in converting visitors into paying customers. It should effectively communicate the value of your course, address potential objections, and create a compelling reason for visitors to take action. Step 5. Market your course. Reaching your target audience. Once you have created your course and chosen a platform, it's time to start marketing your course. Effective marketing will help you reach your target audience and drive traffic to your course website. Let's explore some comprehensive strategies for marketing your online course. 1. Define your target audience. Clearly identify who your ideal students are. Consider their demographics, interests, and pain points related to your course topic. Understanding your target audience will guide your marketing efforts and help you tailor your messaging to resonate with them. 2. Create compelling course content. Develop engaging content that showcases the value and benefits of your course. This can include promotional videos, blog posts, social media posts, and testimonials. Highlight the unique features of your course that set it apart from others in the market. 3. Leverage social media. Utilize popular social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to promote your course. Create engaging posts that provide valuable insights, tips, and teasers related to your course topic. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, hosting live Q&A sessions, and sharing success stories. 4. Content marketing. Write informative blog posts, guest articles, or create video content that demonstrates your expertise in the course subject. Share these valuable resources on your website, social media channels, and relevant online communities. This will establish you as an authority in your field and attract potential students. 5. Email marketing. Build an email list of interested individuals by offering free resources, such as downloadable guides or a mini course. Send regular newsletters to your subscribers, providing valuable content, course updates, and special promotions. Nurture your email list by delivering relevant and personalized messages to convert subscribers into paying students. 6. Collaborate with influencers. Identify influencers, bloggers, or experts in your niche who have a significant following. Partner with them to promote your course through sponsored content, guest appearances on their podcasts or YouTube channels, or joint webinars. Their endorsement can expand your reach and credibility. 7. Offer discounts and incentives. Create a sense of urgency and encourage early signups by offering limited-time discounts, bonuses, or early bird pricing. Consider offering exclusive access to a private community or additional resources as incentives for enrolling in your course. 8. Affiliate marketing. Set up an affiliate program where you partner with individuals or businesses who promote your course in exchange for a commission on each sale they generate. This can significantly expand your reach, as affiliates tap into their own networks to promote your course. 9. Utilize paid advertising. Consider investing in paid advertising on platforms like Google Ads, Facebook ads, or YouTube ads to reach a larger audience. Target your ads based on relevant keywords, demographics, and interests to maximize the effectiveness of your campaigns. 10. Encourage word-of-mouth referrals. Provide exceptional value and a great learning experience for your students. Encourage them to share their positive experiences with friends, colleagues, or on social media. Offer incentives for referrals, such as discounts on future courses or exclusive access to bonus content. Remember to track and analyze your marketing efforts using analytics tools and metrics. This will help you identify which strategies are most effective and make data-driven decisions to optimize your marketing campaigns. Step 6. Launch your course. The final step is to launch your course. This involves setting a launch date, promoting your course, and opening enrollment to your audience. You can also create a launch event, such as a webinar or live Q&A, to generate and answer any questions your audience may have. During your launch, it's important to track your progress and make adjustments as needed. This may involve tweaking your marketing strategy, adjusting your course content, or changing your pricing. Thanks for watching.